Today we will install Corvus 7.5 in our Redmi Note 5 Pro. So let's get started. As you can see, my phone is running on Android 10 and it is having a security patch level of 5 July 2020 and the build date is of 26 July. And let's see some settings. There are Corvus parts. As you can see, there are many customization in this ROM. Some of them are this: notifications, miscellaneous, lock screen items, fingerprint, battery information where you can change the battery icon and other stuffs, carrier label, clock option, icon manager, quick settings, traffic indicator, button, navigation, power menu. Here you can get the advanced restart option, screenshot, lockdown. Let's see themes. Here you can change some themes of the Corvus ROM. Let's go to apps and notifications. Battery. Here you get a very good battery. Display. Double tap to wake and double tap to sleep. You can get here. As you can see, face unlock is also there, smart lock and other stuffs. Let's see the digital well-being. As you can see, this ROM is very fluent and it's a good ROM for gaming. As I have also installed the custom kernel in this ROM for better gaming and battery. It's Agni kernel 9.4 stable hybrid EAS. So without further ado, let's get to how to install this ROM. For installing this ROM, you need some files. Corvus 7.5 ROM file and Agni kernel and the firmware. So let's see how to install Corvus 7.5. I will directly boot up into the recovery mode. In the recovery mode, you need to go to wipe, advanced wipe. You need to select Dalvik, cache, system, vendor, data. Do not click the internal storage as it will wipe your storage and you will not be able to install the ROM. So these are all selected. Confirm. As you can see, wiping partition. It may take some time. As you can see, it is completely successful. So go to flash. Firstly install the Agni firmware. You can add zip also, the custom kernel, add zip, the Corvus file, confirm to flash, and there you go, it's flashing. First you need to install the Agni firmware, so it will ask you for some setup. So you have to do this. It's installing. You can also not install this Agni firmware. I am just installing because I play some games and it is good for gaming. and this is for the kernel. In this kernel you have to select the old cam, because if you select the new camera, the camera might not work. As you can see, I'm overclocking my CPU and the GPU, and it's installing. Next, and now the zip file is installing. It will take some time. And I forgot to tell you that you don't need to flash the GApps, as because the GApps is already included in this ROM. As you can see, the installation process is going to complete. See, succeed. Now tick re. I am using Skyhawk custom recovery. So every recovery has different design. So the process is same. You can apply this process in any recovery. So now we have to reboot. And you can see we have successfully booted in the Corvus ROM. This is the Corvus logo. It will take some time. So thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you like it, and if you like, hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and press the bell notification to get some other notification about my other videos.